When a new year begins, we are often hit by a fresh wave of motivation and a renewed drive for self-improvement. We start planning, goal setting, and tracking our habits like never before, determined to step into the new year as the best version of ourselves. But a couple of months into the new year and this motivation often starts to fade, and we maybe find ourselves sliding back into our old habits. It is just as easy to fall off track than it is to start. And that's why we need a way to keep reminding ourselves of why we started in the first place. A reminder that you will see every day. In this video, I will show you the best way you can keep reminding yourself of your why, and that is by creating a vision board. A vision board is a really powerful tool that can help turning your goals into reality. When you have a clear visual representation of what you want to achieve, it helps keeping you motivated because you're reminded of it every day. A vision board can also help you to hold yourself accountable, as it serves as a constant reminder of the person you wish to become. So to start things off, you should begin by looking inward. The first step is self-reflection and getting clear on what you truly want. Start by writing down your goals. This can be a bit daunting at first, so to make it easy, I urge you to create a mind map and just jotting down everything that comes into mind. You can divide your goals into different areas of your life and then afterwards connect them in order to find out where you want to put your focus. Once you have your goals or the life areas that you want to work on, it's time to find the visual material that will inspire you to improve in these areas. Look for images that represent your values and the things that you want to achieve. For example, I want to improve my sleeping habits, so I chose to include this photo for my vision board. I also want to focus on my health, both nutrition-wise and exercise-wise, so I added images that also reflect this. You could also add quotes or inspirational words if you wish. When looking for photos, you should pick the ones that resonate the most with you and that will keep you inspired. But you should be careful, it's really easy to go overboard with photos, and here less is more. You can choose one key image per category that truly resonates with you. Now it's time to bring your photos together into a collage. You can go the DIY route by printing them out and turning this into a fun craft project with scissors and glue. Or, if you prefer a digital approach, you can create a collage on your phone or computer. The key is to place your vision board somewhere you'll see often. Think about the spots you naturally look at throughout the day. Maybe it's on the fridge as a printed reminder, or as a wallpaper on your phone. You could even do both. Find what works best for you and make sure your collage is visible. I decided to design mine as a desktop wallpaper for my computer, so that every time I open up my laptop, I will be reminded of my goals. I also made sure to leave some space for widgets, folders and the dock to keep it functional and to not get in the way of how I like to organize files on my desktop. The photos that you find online might at first seem a bit cheesy or a bit over the top, but when it comes to visualizing your goals, it's important to be very precise and exaggerate a bit. So choose images that clearly represent what you want to achieve. And also have fun with it. You can play around with the placements, the cropping of the photo, and the general vibe. It can be as minimal or as crowded as you like. Make it fit your personality. In addition to the desktop wallpaper, I also decided to create a matching phone wallpaper. Having it as my background is a great way to stay inspired and motivated throughout the day. Lastly, another place I look every day is my bullet journal, so I decided to make a version that would fit inside. I printed out my vision board photos using the paper rank printer, and then I added them to my journal. To wrap things up, here are a few reminders that you should keep in mind as you go through this process.